the intro. Do good. Do it again. Cue the intro, man. You already know what it is, man. It's 793 Slaughter. Yes, sir. I already know why y'all here, man. Y'all trying to get your connections, brother? And then just stick to the end of the video on me explain to you 3 tips on how I get my connection better. So just stay tuned. Step number 1, what you is going to do first is make sure you grab a comb. I always do small 2-side comb and mirror. You know what I'm saying? That's all you need, and then you just gonna comb out your hair. I use some Jamaican black castor oil. You can get some Dollar General. You know what I'm saying? Walmart. You know what and then after you apply those drops, all they're gonna do then, the only thing you're gonna do is rag up for about 10 minutes. And then once you get done and you unrag, I'm gonna come back and unrag and then show y'all the results. See y'all then.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, man, so it's been about 10-15 minutes now, so now I'm just finna show y'all the results. I'm finna go on red. Does it look better? Alright, man, so I hope y'all stayed, watched the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm gonna be uploading weekly, trying to keep these videos pumping out, you know what I'm saying? Getting better by each video, you know, just getting better with the experience. So I appreciate it. If you're new, subscribe, like, comment, tell me what you think. I'm out.